The Osborne bull is the silhouette of a brave bull, approximately 14 meters tall, originally conceived as a large roadside billboard to promote the Veterano brandy from the Osborne Group in Jerez. These billboards are spread throughout the Spanish geography, generally located next to roads and on hills to cut the horizon and enhance their visibility. Although the initial function was advertising, over time and due to cultural significance, it has become a cultural symbol of Spain beyond the commercial brand of the company. 1956, the advertising agency Azor Publicidad, commissioned by the Osborne Group, designs a symbol to represent the Veterano brandy on roadside billboards. The artist Manolo Prieto, director of this advertising agency, proposes the figure of the brave bull that is still preserved. The first wooden silhouette was placed on the Madrid-Burgos road. 1958, in November, the first billboards, made of wood, are installed. They were 4 meters tall, had the horns painted white, and had a sign advertising the drink. 1961, since adverse weather conditions damaged the wooden billboards, they began to be made of metal. Their size was increased to 7 meters. 1962, after a change in the regulations regarding roadside advertising signs, billboards of about 14 meters in height are installed. 1988, in July, the General Law of Roads requires the removal of advertising from any location visible from any state road. The signage on the billboards is removed, but the billboards themselves remain. 1994, in September, the General Regulation of Roads is published, ordering the removal of all Osborne bulls. Several autonomous communities, numerous municipalities, cultural associations, artists, politicians, and journalists express support for the preservation of the billboards. The Andalusian regional government requests their classification as a cultural asset, and the autonomous community of Navarra uses a regional law to maintain the bull within its territory. In the same year, it was declared by the Congress of Deputies as cultural and artistic heritage of the Spanish towns. 1997, in December, the Supreme Court rules in favor of maintaining the Osborne bulls due to the aesthetic or cultural interest attributed to them. From 1998 onwards, the Osborne bull ceases to be strictly a commercial symbol. Since it is considered a symbol associated with the nationalism of Spain's identity by peripheral nationalists, the separatists in Catalonia boycott and topple the only bull located in Catalonia, in Bruc. Some Catalan separatists adopt the Catalan donkey or ruc Catalan as their own symbol. 2007, in August, the last existing Osborne bull in Catalonia is toppled by a self-proclaimed independentist group called Hermandad Catalana La Bandera Negra. Just a week earlier, it had been reinstalled after 9 years of absence. 2008, in late May, the Osborne bull returns to the silhouettes of the mountains near Catalan roads. A group of friends who are fond of this advertising symbol rebuilds the one that was the only Osborne bull in this autonomous community until February 2009. 2008, the Osborne bull in Abavades, Trasmaras, Galicia, is painted orange in an action against Spanish symbolism. 2009, in January, the Osborne bull located in Taverns de la Valdigna was destroyed by strong winds reaching nearly 110 km per hour. The remains are clearly visible from the nearby AP7 highway. The municipal authorities of Taverns expressed their desire for it to be restored, and Osborne initiated negotiations with the local council to replace the advertising billboard. 2009, on February 24, the Osborne bull located in Bruc was once again knocked down for the 4th time. 2009, since February, the Osborne bull in Villajoyosa, Alicante, has been knocked down by strong winds exceeding 100 km per hour. The remains are clearly visible from the AP7 highway and the national road N340. The Villajoyosa City Council has requested the repair of this iconic tourist attraction. 2009, in October, the Osborne bull located in Taberns de Valdigna, Valencia, was rebuilt by the Osborne Company after being destroyed by the wind earlier that year. 2011, following numerous requests from the majority of its residents and the local government, the Osborne bull was installed for the first time in the autonomous city of Melilla, Spain. It is visible from all over the city, and even from neighboring areas in Spain and Morocco. 2011, the existing bull in Mallorca was painted with the colors of the gay flag and had its testicles removed. It is believed to have been a protest against bullfighting. Days later, it was painted black and its testicles were reattached. 2011, the bull in Mallorca was once again painted with colors featuring peace symbols. 2012, in Mallorca again, young people cut off the horns of the bull in Sun Real. 2013, it was announced that the region of Murcia would have a new Osborne bull in 2014 as a result of a popular initiative that led its president to formally request it from the Osborne Group, whose board of directors unanimously accepted the proposal. 2017, urban artist Sam III reproduced Picasso's Guernica on the Osborne bull in Santa Pola, Alicante, as a protest against bullfighting. The Osborne Foundation published a book to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the bull. 2021, the Osborne bull in Huvar del Aljarraf, Seville, reappeared next to the A49 highway, Seville-Huelva, on the other side of the road after being absent for at least 10 years. Currently, there are 92 Osborne bulls irregularly distributed throughout Spain. The image of the Osborne bull often appears in many aspects of daily life beyond advertising. It is frequently seen on stickers placed on the rear of cars, on travel souvenirs, T-shirts, caps, keychains, ashtrays, postcards, tiles, coasters, etc., and even superimposed on the Spanish flag as a shield. It often appears among the stands at sporting events and in international missions of Spanish soldiers. Thank you so much for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with future content. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with any suggestions or ideas for future videos.